today we're here to celebrate those that have gone above and beyond and recognize some amazing people. We've done this at all our stores for years, recognizing individuals from service and parts, sales, salesman of the year, employee of the year. It even got to the point where it was like a super duper mega awesomest employee of all the stores, type deal, because we ran out of titles to give these things. But we always do just like to recognize those individuals that are serving others, doing what's right, valuing people, and just walking it, like I said.
At the end of the day, these individuals just look at their job and have so much joy in their job that they just serve. That's ultimately what it comes down to, is having a servant heart and going above and beyond for all departments and for everyone around them. They just love to serve people.